Hi all, so today I'll show you how you can install Dynatrace OneAgent using Ansible on Windows Server. Okay, so in the last video I have done for how you can install Dynatrace OneAgent using Ansible on Linux server. This time it will be Windows Server. Okay, so Windows Server will work on WinRM service. So ensure that wherever you are from source to destination, right? When you are sending a data, means installing a one agent from Ansible master to target node, right? Ensure that WinRM service should be enabled on your target node, and that port has to be open from your master nodes. Okay, so WinRM service run on 5985 and 5986. Okay, this is for HTTP and this is for HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS. Okay, first thing. So I will show you. So for Ansible, right? So I will be creating one Ansible master server, Ansible master, where I will be installing all the Ansible component like collections, all those things, Ansible's everything, Galaxy collections, all those things, and we'll be installing everything on target node. I will be installing Dynatrace OneAgent on target node. Okay, which would be your Windows server. Okay, so let's see how you can do. Okay, so I'll show you step by step. Okay, so let me okay, let me know once my screen is visible. So hope it is my visible. Now let me put it here. Okay, so this is my Ansible master node. So I will putting Ansible master master, where I will be installing Ansible components. So I'll take two virtual CPU, 4 GB of RAM. Key pair, we can take DT training, which is fine. Security group, default 30 GB of space is sufficient. Hope public IP is enabled. Yes, launch. Done. Let me create one master node, which is your Windows server. So Ansible masters, take this, state running. Ending. No. Okay, so we have this. Okay, this is your master node. Let me install one target node, which is my Windows server. Okay, just I'm giving the name as a Windows server. Windows, just a minute. My UI is slow a little bit. Windows server. Okay, Windows, this is your Windows. I will take. Okay, so I'm taking Windows 2019 base model. Okay. Okay. Now this is done. I'll take instance size. So two virtual CPU, 4 GB of RAM. It is too much. Key pair I can take. Ansible, which is fine. Security group default 30 GB of space, which is fine. Launch. Now go to here. Let me log into my master. Connect. Easy to use it. So let me install Ansible on the master node. Okay. Okay. So I became a root user. Yum update -y. So I'm installing Python. This is done. Then I will be installing pip3 install user Ansible. Done. Now let's add this. Okay. Now this should type Ansible -version. You'll get this. So these are the commands to install the Ansible, right? So we have installed Ansible. Now let me create a directory which is called Ansible-Dynatrace. Okay. Okay. So this is done. Now what I will do is, okay. So let me log into my target node. So my Ansible is installed. I need to install Ansible Galaxy collection. Okay, for install OneAgent. For that, I will be using this. All Dynatrace OneAgent. Also, for Windows, I will be using some. Let me try this because we have installed Dynatrace OneAgent and symbol.windows. Done. So this is also we have installed. Now let me go to my target node. So I will go here, instance. Let me log into my target node. Okay, so connect. So let me copy the IP. Okay, so all the states running. Copy this. Session RDP remote host username connect RDP get password load private key download ansible.pem. This is my username. Okay, this is my password. Okay, no. So this is my password for this. So I will change it. Okay, mr comma username this, and what is the IP we have? Go instance. This is my IP. Okay, so I will go to my here bi inventory dot ini file. Insert. I'll keep this. How you can connect, right? So I will paste this. So this is my IP. So I am username this. This is my password. We have copied from this. Sorry, we have copied. Then WinRM port I am opening 5985. Escape colon WQS. This mark. Save. Okay. Now let's go to our target node. Yes. Open your PowerShell. Run as an administrator. So you need to run three commands. One is enable PS remoting force. Okay. You have to run this. Done. Then you have to run this. Okay. Okay. Now you need to run this. You have to allow 5985 local ports. Okay. Then 5986. So this two ports, right, has to be open in your security group. Okay. 5985 and 5986. So if you go to here, instance, if you see this security group, these two ports I have opened. You see 5985 I have opened. Okay, so 5985 and 5986 you see, right? So I have opened that. Okay. So now I have ran this command. So this I have created. What I can do is I can check that whether I'm able to ping or not. So to ping this ls, so Ansible -I inventory.ini, then Windows -m win_ping. What it is saying, WinRM module is not installed. So you have to install WinRM module. Okay. Just a minute. So what is the command to install WinRM module? 1 second. So command to install WinRM module on Linux server. So just you do pip install pywinrm. Okay. Go here and this. It's fine. But you see, right, Ansible.Windows does not support the version 2.15, which is fine, but I'm able to connect your target node. So you need to install your pywinrm, okay, so that Python Windows remote package, right? So we have done the remote RM for pywinrm, right? We have enabled for that only. You need to install on the target master node. So I have done that. So I have master, I'm able to connect. This is your target node IP. If you see, right, this is your Windows Server IP. If you see EC2 instance, this is your Windows Server IP 116, right? So you see here. So 116, this is your Windows. So I'm from the master node, this is your Linux server, and we are able to connect, which is your ping pong connection. Is success? Green, right? Now let me create a YAML file, okay? And then we can deploy using Ansible. So I am creating in this directory vi Dynatrace underscore Windows install.yaml file, insert, and this is my playbook. So you see this. Install Dynatrace OneAgent, so host name Windows. So under this, right, when we are doing the inventory file, we have added host Windows, gather fact no, collection Ansible Windows, Dynatrace download directory. So this is my in tenant ID. So you see that. Then this is your API token. This is your pass token. Installation path ctemp will be here. Installation argument dash. Okay, and quite because it's go to this mode, and then temp directory exist all those things, and then we need to run this. Escape colon WQ exclamation mark. Okay, now I need to run this. So if you run this, Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen I inventory.ini and Dynatrace this. If you put a hyphen VVV, it will run in the verborage mode so that you can see what are the issue if there is thing. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so I'm running this. Wait for 5 minutes to get it installed. So already I have connected to my target node, right? So you see this. Open this. So basically, we in the C drive temp directory, we are installing this, right? So we have a temp directory. Nothing is there. See, OneAgent is coming up now. Wait for a few minutes. Let me go to your hidden file also. Let me open my task manager also. You see, OneAgent is trying to get installed. Okay. So if you see this, so now if you see this, uh, so now we have OneAgent installer file. This is your batch file. So through batch file, your this will get installed. This is your where it went Dynatrace. You see Dynatrace OneAgent also right now as a process. Still, thus your pipeline is executing. Wait for a few minutes because the exe, right? So exe will run in the background silent mode. It will take some time, so you need to have a patience for that. Okay, just 4 to 5 minutes. In Linux it will go like this, but Windows need little time. Hmm. So see now Dynatrace one cap. So keep on creating. Wait. Still service is not yet created. If you go here, right, you don't see service. Why? Because still is running as a process. You see, there is no Dynatrace OneAgent. Wait for few minutes. See now, watchdog. Now you see service got created. So if you go to your Linux terminal, still it is running. You see now. If you see services, Dynatrace, still I'm seeing. OneAgent is running. You see, right? Process. So Dynatrace is also running. Still Playbook is running. Let me go to my host page. You see, right? Agent got installed. So now see. So if you want to see the IP, right? 116. See, this is your IP, right? So what are the step I did is, if I'll go to my whiteboard, so it is got installed successfully. So what are the steps I did is, let me show you that, okay? For Windows, a little complicated. Okay, will not find the document across the globe. For Windows, that is the reason I thought, okay, let me make a video for Windows. So these are the steps. Okay, these are the commands you have to run on Windows Server on the target node. Okay, so enable PS remote monitoring, remoting force. You need to enable this config auth. You need to start this Windows service, a remote service. Then you have to allow, and then you have to open the port 5985 and 5986. Okay, these four commands you have to run on your target node. Okay, first thing. Then this is your inventory file. This is my inventory file. Okay, this is my inventory file where you have mentioned, you need to mention your IP. You need to mention your uh okay. You need to mention your, what I used to say, IP, username, password, okay, connection, all those things, and port. Okay. Then once you've done that, you have to check the connectivity. Add text. This is your checking the connectivity, how you can check from whether you are able to connect your target node or not. Okay. So before that, in Ansible, right, you remember we have installed pywinrm. This command also you have to install. Okay, for this, for Windows, okay, not for Linux. Okay, and this is my playbook. Okay, so I will ping you this playbook here. You can use it. This is my playbook where I have added, okay, collections, Windows. Even you can type directly Ansible Galaxy Collection, Ansible.Windows, directly OneAgent. That also you can try, because in the document, right, install Dynatrace agent on Dynatrace agent using Ansible. If you see this document, right, they have mentioned, so for this is for Windows PyWinRM we have installed, and directly install Dynatrace OneAgent. This is also collection, it will work. Okay, so okay, directly, even I have installed this also, but I have used this, okay, which is fine. Now what else? Then if I'll go to my browser, so this is my playbook, and I'll add text. This is my command to install Ansible. Okay, it's a very simple commands. You need to update your server. Okay, so you need to update, then install Python, then install Ansible users, and then you need to configure the version. That's it. This is the basic commands to install Ansibles. Okay, there's not a big command, and then you can able to connect. Okay, from master node to target node using Ansible. Okay, and this is for Windows. So it's very. I don't find any documents across the globe proper. If you see this, right, just mention that okay, PyWinRM is required. Apart from that, they have not mentioned anything. Just one agent download directory should be temp, Windows temp. That's it. Either you can use this. Apart from that, they have not mentioned anything. No playbook, right? So okay, so thought let me make the video. So that's it. Okay, hope you can understand. Now you see my Dynatrace OneAgent is getting installed successfully, and my playbook also ran. You okay 6? You see this? Okay, so it will take time little bit. It is running. If you go to your target node, your Dynatrace OneAgent is here. As a process, service is here. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Hope you can understand that how you can install Dynatrace OneAgent using Ansible. Thank you.